Hello, friends. It is Running Kimono. Pardon about my allergies this morning. I have some bad cat allergies this morning, so that's why I sound like I have a cold, but I don't have a cold. It is allergies, and it's early. So, other than that amazing story, let's talk about this, which is a $5 moneymaker with Colgate, a deal that most of you should be doing. So, we're just going to look at this really carefully because it is fantastic. When you buy 4 of these, there's a 4 off of 2. And then you get back $4 in Walgreens cash, and it is on a buy offer. Now, this is why Walgreens is so confusing, because it's these little nuances that can make it so darn confusing. But we're going to walk through this step by step so I can show you how to get all of this for free. So as you can see, guys, on the toothbrushes, we have a 4 off of 2, which is like really uber generous. And then at the top on the right-hand side, you have expensive, expensive, more expensive. At the bottom, $4. So we need to grab 2 of those. Please pay attention, you're grabbing the right ones. And then we're also going to grab 2 tubes of toothpaste at $4. They do have more expensive ones peppered in, but we're grabbing 2 of them at $4. There's also a $1.25 digital coupon. If you have that one, unclip it so you only have this 4 off of 2 working pour vous. Okay, so the next thing that we're going to grab is 2 of the Colgate mouth rinses for $4 each, and we have a 4 off of 2. So between the brushes and the mouthwash, we always get toothpaste for free, but these 2 products, kind of a rare sort of a thing. So that's why I'm saying, Ren, go do this deal soon, because it's so amazing to get the mouth rinse and the brushes as a freebie. Okay, so I just threw everything into a basket, and as you could see, the $4 coupons came off. The subtotal was $24. It's down to $12 before tax, and then you're going to get back $12. So you do not have to do this as a curbside pickup. Just to illustrate this to you, that's why I threw it into a basket. You could do it in store if you wish, and just to show you, this is your expected cash back. Because it's not a register reward and it is Walgreens cash, you can do it multiple times as shown, and it should work. So how wonderful is this? I'm going to be testing this deal out a little later today if you want to wait for me, because I know a lot of you probably, you're not sure. And this is also the first Sunday of the month, so there might be some hiccups and ways to navigate. So if you want to wait for me, probably early this afternoon, I'll have my video on this. Now, to get this for a moneymaker, if you have this booster, let's look at this deal again. Grabbing 2 of the paste, 2 of the wash, 2 of the brushes, that's $24. Have that booster loaded digitally. You have $12 of digitals coming off. You're going to pay $12 with your debit card. As the booster is a spend one, you have to use your debit card, cash bills, or like a credit card to pay off the balance. And then you're getting back $17, which makes it a $5 moneymaker. Do not use your Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance for this one, or it will mess everything up with a spend booster. And again, if you might have that $1.50 digital Colgate toothpaste digital coupon, make sure you unclip it, or that 4 off of 2, this one will come off first. I have a video I will pin in the notes on how to unclip coupons on the Walgreens app if you wish to check that out. It's a very easy process to do with your smartphone. Okay, while you're in the store, let's not forget to get the stationery, because it's a total freebie, but it's today only, which is the 25th. You grab 2 Bic stationery products. They're 2 for $3. Subtracting this coupon, we're talking free stationery, and I don't think it gets any better than that in my book. Okay, and now we have a $2 digital for the Tide liquid and a $2 digital for the Tide pods. Where was this the last 2 weeks? They hid it from us. But hey, it still makes it $2.99. Load and use these if Tide is your thing, because what a great price point. We have the Banana Boat or Hawaiian Tropic. This is a 4 off of 2. We're going to have to see as the week progresses if there's a deal for this, but this is a high value coupon. At the very least, I would load it digitally. And now we have the Bulldog. Buy 2 of these, get 7 off. And this is valid till August the 7th. So at the very least, load this. We might have a deal. We might not. But I mean, it is a high value coupon for the Bulldog men's shaving care. Here's a weird one on La Roche-Posay, which is a brand from France. It's very, very expensive. Some of this I've noticed it's been cheaper in store with beauty counters. Load both of these guys. They're valid till the end of September. Possibly maybe we'll have a deal to go with this. But this is $6 of digitals that you should load just in case. Maybe the stuff will go on clearance, maybe it won't, but it's better to have it than not to have it. And this is like a really nice skincare line. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.